Hi there, students. A hillbilly. A hillbilly. Okay, this is an American word, although the Brits would understand this very well. A hillbilly, well, originally this is somebody who comes from a mountainous area, and they are considered rather stupid and unsophisticated by cultured people living in towns and cities. Notice this is derogatory. Yeah, it could even be a bit offensive. Somebody might be offended if you say, he's a real hillbilly. Yeah, okay, so this is a person from remote mountainous areas. I think nowadays it's used more just to say somebody who is considered rough, unsophisticated, who has a very simple way of life, who probably doesn't have a great deal of money. Yeah. Okay, so somebody who doesn't know about modern ideas, modern culture, and particularly somebody who lives in the mountains, hillbilly, a long way from towns or cities. This, I think, in the past was particularly used for people in the southeast of the United States. Okay. You even actually have the phrase hillbilly music. Hillbilly music is an old-fashioned phrase for country music. Yeah, I think. But be careful with this word hillbilly. You could use it as a joke. My brother is a real hillbilly. Yeah, it's a rude way of saying I think he's uneducated and stupid because he comes from the countryside. He's a hick. A hick would be another synonym for this. Yeah, he's not a sophisticated urbanite. Yeah, he's just a hillbilly. He comes from these from places where there is no culture and no education. I believe there used to be an American sitcom called the Beverly Hillbillies about a family who lived in the country, and they struck oil on their land and became very rich, so they went to live in Beverly Hills. So they had lots and lots of money, but lack of culture, lack of education, it could lead to some funny situations. Okay, so a hillbilly, somebody who is not refined, they're not sophisticated. Yeah, they live in an unsophisticated way. Okay, so a hillbilly. Formality. I think I'm going to give it a 4 in formality. Informally use in a semi-formal conversation. Semi-formal writing just about, but certainly no more. And then, as I said, the origin. Well, the origin, it's Hill and Billy. Billy is short for William. Yeah, but Billy, for example, in Scottish you have Chapman Billy, a travelling salesman. A Billy here means a fellow. So a hillbilly, a hill fellow, a fellow from the hills. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. A hillbilly.